Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Here I have a Nokia 3310, tongue-tied. Here I have a Nokia 3310 with a bit of display problems, but it works other than that. And here I have a Nokia 3410 that's completely, well, damaged. So I want to take the display from this one and put it on this one. Also, I have a special body shell which I want to put on it. So let's begin. First, let me show that it's working. The display barely shows anything, but if I press it a bit harder here, see? Well, if I keep pressing on it, it remains like this. I'm still thinking about it. Let's turn it off and get to work. Don't need this anymore. Ugh. Easy phone to disassemble. By the way, let's look at it before we completely disassemble it. This is how dirty it is. Okay, I'm done showing you. Well, if it's just a bit of a connector problem, maybe I can still keep it. Who knows? We'll see. To remove the display from here, it's a bit challenging. There we go. So taking out of the rubber seal. Now for the main board. Here is the main board. I think I'm gonna try and clean it and maybe, you know, save the display, because I think it's just a bit of connector issues. Got to get bent. It just had to bend. Well, not much of a problem. Easy fixable. There we go. Now this one. Okay. Here's the condition of the main board. Oh, what's in this thing? Just goes out like this. Little microphone, which I can also take out of here. The battery release switches, actually, yeah. Well, both broke, but should be fixable. This here and this here to remember where they were from. And you know what? I'm going to take these things out as well. Full disassembly, baby. Full disassembly. This is how it looks now. I'm going to clean it and be right back with the phone assembling. So here you have the phone. Let's begin. I'm going to assemble all the small parts and then put all the assembled parts in the bigger one. Just like that. It just goes in here, like so. fix the display. This is so awesome. RGB, baby, from what, 2002? This is so nice. Yeah, boy. So, this is it for this phone. I'm gonna proudly put this one in my showcase. It's awesome. Really like it. I don't know if I can actually press to the body shell. Yep. It has a button here. If I press hard enough, it activates the lights. Awesome. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please give it a like. Maybe subscribe. It helps me a lot. And I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourself and just like this phone. The legendary 3310. Now with RGB. Life is beautiful. It's still on. Nice. Oh, if you press it, it changes colors. Nice. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Okay, bye.